Hi, my name is Arjun and I'm back with another amazing recipe. Today we'll be making olive and rosemary baguettes. This is a very simple recipe and I'm sure anyone can make it. Do give it a try. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! We'll start by taking a large bowl and we'll add in all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, and instant dry yeast. And I'll give it a mix. Now into this I'll add in some olive oil and water. And I'll knead it using a spatula. Now I'll cover it with a cloth and let it sit on the counter for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so I'll stretch and fold my dough from all sides. Now I'll cover it again and let it sit for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and it's time to fold in our star ingredient, olives. I'll be adding both black and green olives. And I'll also add in fresh rosemary. And I'll fold it. I'll cover it with cling film. And I let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours.
One day later.
It's been 24 hours. Let's check our dough. The dough looks amazing. Let's take it out of the bowl. I'll dust some flour. Now I'll divide it into 6 parts. Now let's shape our beautiful baguettes.
One down.
I let it rest for 15 minutes before it goes into the oven. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 230 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Hear that? It's done! Ta-da! It looks amazing. These no-knead baguettes are really delicious and really easy to make. Do give it a try. These are really spongy and I can't wait to try them with some pasta. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!